Everybody, today I am going to be doing a review on Beadact clay beads bracelet making kits. So, see what we have in here. Comes with a book, bead threader, elastic string, scissors, more elastic string, I guess these are tweezers. Alright, so it comes with different color beads with your letters and charms and little pieces, or I guess you can make a necklace with it because it has the claws. Different colored clay beads. Okay. I guess that's the top. Okay. And then this is the bead threader. So I guess if your eyeballs are not as steady as BB's, you would use the bead threader. So, see what the book says. All right. It just shows you different types of bracelets that you can make. So let's give this little thing a whirl here. Okay. I'm loading it up. There's some pretty yellow. Kind of looks like fluorescent. It works. That's what I was looking for, is fluorescent yellows. Alright. Alright, so we have to fill this up about a third way full. I'm sure as it spins around, it'll mix it all up. Get it up. Okay, there's that. Alright, so what I'm going to do, because this is going to be my bracelet, so what I'm going to do is make a knot at the end. So this way, if I want to add any of the charms, if I can, okay, here we go. Oh. Okay. Alright, so when you get ready to make sure you cut it long enough so you can double knot these, because again, it is stretchy elastic. It will come undone if you don't do it with a double knot. And do a couple of them just to make sure. So it's really not that hard. Again, if you want a multicolor bracelet, this is the ideal way of doing it. You have all your charms here, like, let me get some of these out. So see, like you could make a necklace. It's got the ends to where you could clamp them. It's got the round pieces. It's got the hooks. There's that. It's got pearls. It's got gold pieces, like a snowflake, a heart, a turtle, a cross, a seashell. You know, cute little things that little girls love. And then it's got some other fun little things, like little flowers, little fruits, like little watermelons. And then your little, I call them the little bullseyes. Plus it has all of these in here with your letters. There's hearts. There's letters in gold, multicolored. Letters, like they have them in pure black, and then they have them in different colors of the letters and the hearts. And then they also have them in just gold. So I would say for the most part, it's a nice little gift if you have a little bead maker in your life. And again, it comes with the scissors. It comes with the I call them the oh God, I just brain fart. Tweezers. That's what I'm trying to think. And then it comes with your bead threader. And this way, if the little ones need mom or dad to help and you ain't got the best eyesight, this would be a great thing to use, especially for like your pearls. Or you can just bead your own if you want a particular color, style of beads in here to design your own. You can even make a necklace with it. So it's not just for bracelets. You can make little necklaces around. There's a multiple things you could do with this. I think it's cute. And you can find the description to this in the description box. It's on Amazon. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment box. So until then, everybody take care. Take care of everybody. Take care of yourselves. See ya.